Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cone. Fill up a cone and seal your cone. Dimensions of the paper should be 3-inch long and 2-inch wide. Here I'm cutting the paper according to the dimensions. Once we have the right size of the paper, let's leave a finger space here and start rolling using the index finger. I am trying to make a pointy and a tight cone. We can also switch index finger with our thumb. When you are done rolling your cone, you will notice a small flap close to the pointy part of the cone. Let's seal this with sellotape. Let's cut the piece of packaging tape and stick lightly on your table. Cut roughly about 4 inches. Let's pour our gold paint directly from the tube. Guys, we don't want to overfill our cones, so keep the paint low. I'm now sticking the packaging tape somewhere in the middle of the cone and wrapping gently around the cone. Packaging tape will work as an extension of the cone. Let's stick the tape and squeeze the cone a little bit. We can now fold it 2 to 3 times and secure it with the tape. Our cone is ready. I would like to show you one more time. Just for a better visual, I chose a green plastic paper. Similarly, make a cone with turquoise blue. Thanks for watching.